Hey guys, so today is, I should have checked this before I started filming, but Sunday, August 18th, and it is kind of my last day of summer before leaving for college. So I actually leave on Tuesday, except tomorrow I'm just mostly packing, and I don't know if I'm gonna see my friends again before I leave. So today I'm making the most of it. I'm doing a ton of stuff that we just never got to do while it was still summer. First things first, I'm going to Target with my sister to get some things for today. Then all my friends are coming here. We're meeting up around 1, and then we're going to this like swimming hole waterfall thing, just hang out for the day, and then we're gonna get dinner and then maybe come back to my house. I don't know, it should be a pretty fun day. I'm trying to make it last as long as possible, so hopefully everyone's up for a fun night. And yeah, let's just make the most of this last day of summer. Last day of summer.
No, tomorrow. No,
tomorrow does not count. We're packing tomorrow. Oh, well, I'm packing tomorrow. Puppers! Zoom. Come on, babes. Come on. Yum, yum, yum. Hi, dogs. Adventure time. I always make Bryn push the cart. Right? Designated cart pusher. This is what I want to film my dorm room with, a bunch of plants. I think that's the one I already ordered for my room, but I wanted to wait until we actually get there to get the rest because I didn't know like how big they were. I also don't like know how big the room is, so I don't know if I can fit a lot of plants, but I don't know. My room at home is just a lot of fake plants. I'm not gonna like water a plant every day. It's a lot to ask. We need to get like sandwich stuff for today so we can pack it. Get 1 tomato and then like turkey. Yeah, where's that? We should get grapes. Wait, I see turkey. Deli Fresh. We also need like s'more stuff, like Hershey bars, and then maybe like snacks for today. Ooh, the pretzel ones. Wait, let me show everyone the best snack ever. Bark Thins chocolate covered pretzels, so good. I don't see Hershey bars. Maybe there's like a special section for like s'more stuff. Like Target does that sometimes. Oh, okay.
These are mini ones.
Oh wait, don't get it.
Does that work?
No. Well, you can get it just in case we can't find the big ones. Let's get snacks. Right. It's like mostly air. Okay. Oh wait, I think we got these ones and they were like the best pretzels ever. You remember? They're like really crunchy. Get these two. I feel like I'm the mom of the group. I always bring all the snacks. Let's go. I can't hold my phone. Okay, so it's nearly 12 now and everyone's coming here to like meet before we go at 12:30, and then we're just gonna like carpool over to the dam area. But first of all, I need to make some lunch because we're gonna like pack lunch and then have a little picnic there. And then of course we got all these snacks over here. Okay, look at how good my sandwich looks. Bryn, isn't it cute? Pretty sure my last vlog I also made like pretty much this exact sandwich. And then I also just came out with like a lunch ideas video for school where this sandwich is included. So you guys should go watch that. I'll have it right here. I think that's where it is. Wait, you don't need to put the chips in there. Like that goes in the cooler, not like popcorn. Okay, carrots, my sandwich. Maya, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
You really talked yourself up there. Okay, squad's all here. You're funny, say what you normally say. You're gonna talk about your love for Cheez-Its?
Yeah, so for Beaver Dam, I brought snacks for us. I brought Cheez-Its.
Love it.
Essential for any outing.
Two most essential food.
And I also brought Tostitos Tinted Lime Chip.
Classic.
Really recommend it for
staple
anybody.
snack.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
But also, please hit me up. Hi, Bryn. This vlog is gonna be so peachy.
We're so peachy. Peachy. Sunshine daisies. Oh wait, I'm not allowed to say that. Type stuff.
Please, are we ready?
Yeah. I would guess this somewhere.
Yeah. Hi, slow-mo running. Hey, how are you guys? Good.
I missed you. I feel so good. Dude, it's what?
Okay, we got popcorn, pretzels.
I'll put it on the grass.
Why not? Wait, I have grapes. Grapes. Look at the giant ducky.
And the unicorn.
Oh my god, wait.
What if we just took photos on the dock?
Zoom. Oh, I want it.
It's gone.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, oh.
hang out. Are you gonna like put music into it? Like if you do and it's like
Stock free music. Yes.
what is she dancing to?
You'll never know.
Everyone go buy this. It's really good.
I told them
Really
to buy it.
good.
They're so good.
Yeah. Recommended. This is our last time together before we all leave.
No crying.
Rachel made fun of me for crying earlier. Yes, you did. I teared up and then you were like, stop, you're weird. Me and Ella are going to LA together.
Are you excited for college?
I am.
Me too. We're LA buddies. Yeah.
Did I do it
Backwards. No, it's easier to do it that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Aw, cute. Oh, nice. ASMR. I
You
don't.
should do an ASMR video.
I don't understand ASMR. It kind of creeps me out. It's like when you make sounds really loud and it's like aesthetically pleasing. Okay, milkshake time. We're at a diner. We're gonna get some, well, milkshakes, obviously. I really want a root beer float, so hopefully they have that. I feel like they probably do. Diners have that kind of stuff. The adventure continues.
I almost cried in the car.
Why?
So we listened to Sign of the Times. Oh my
Classic.
God, the lyrics were like
Emo?
very like about like leaving and saying goodbye.
They have a lot of milkshakes.
Get like one scoop.
Get a picture. Cute. Yay! Do you want to say hi? This is a new addition she just gave me.
Anna is jaced.
I like to ask the vlog what they think of your fry tactic.
My peppered. She puts
Pepper.
striped fries.
And then she puts the ketchup on the fries.
The best way.
That is satanic. I like feel like I need to exercise. What about French fries and vinegar?
Nope.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah,
I do
like
too.
that.
I don't like that. I try to like it because everyone else
I
likes
don't do it. I only do it when I'm at the beach.
Oh, really?
Tell the story. I don't even remember it. I was like, can you get me some ketchup for these fries? She like took my fries like up to the thing and like I instead of like pouring salt on it, she just like poured like olive oil or something.
Olive oil? What?
All over. She's gonna spit it out, spit it out, spit it out, spit it out, spit it out. Spit it out. I love you so much.
I love you too, babes.
You're not great. It's fine, babe.
Oh my god.
I'm having a crisis right now.
Oh my god.
Be like in your.
I love you, babe. I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light of the sky, there's a sea, it calls me. And at last I see the light. It's like the sky is blue. Oh damn. Let's get down to business. To defeat the Hun. Did they send me daughters? The real star. And I asked for sons. You know you freaked up. Who comes along just to end it? So the annual problem to our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Like maybe. What should I say to the vlog? Grace, what should I say to the vlog?
To your friends before they leave for college.
It is really hard. It's weird.
Great things and like be better people, but you'll always be in their life and they'll always be special.
Oh, wow, okay. No one's allowed to leave, y'all just need to live here. Maya's gonna start crying. Maya, if you do it with me, we can quit college and just go right back to school.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go back to high school.
Back to high
If we
school.
both quit, I'll become like your videotaper person.
I don't like
and
high school
we'll just
either.
create an empire.
Okay, yeah.
Let's do that.
Take over the world together.
Yeah.
They would not let us back
Why
in.
are you here? What do you want?
You're like graduated. You're like trespassing on private property.
I just want to sit in the library. whatever, I didn't cry.
I mean, what's new? Oh, this is so depressing. Well, all my friends are gone, so I'm getting a little emo over here. I don't know, it just like doesn't really feel real that like I'm not gonna see them again for like till Thanksgiving, which is so far away. And then I move into college in like 72 hours. Guys, I don't even know. My mind just like can't comprehend all this stuff. There's a lot of changes happening. It's gonna get a little bit weird, but of course, I'm taking you guys along on the journey. I will have a move-in vlog, a room tour, all that kind of stuff, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I actually had a lot of fun filming this, and I'd love to show you guys like more of my personal life, so if you want to see that, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye!